Hey, fifth graders. First of all, hold on, I'm gonna get rid of my gum. Um, I feel like I need to apologize because I thought that this lesson had published to Canvas and it hasn't. And so you're just seeing this, and it should have started on November 2nd. So I am so very sorry. So I'm going to give you the rest of this week and all of next week to work on this. It's all about Battle of the Books, and it's not going to take you terribly long. And I'm super sorry that you're just now seeing this published. So I thought I would record myself apologizing and going over the lesson with you. So you're going to go into your lesson and you are going to listen to me right now explain what Battle of the Books is all about if you're unfamiliar. If you were at DEF last year and you heard me talking about it, I'm going to talk about it again. And if you were in Battle of the Books last year, I'm really hoping that you're considering participating this year. It's going to look a lot different because for, obvious reasons, COVID-19, but we're still going to have a battle and we're going to make the best of it. And I'm still very excited about it and I hope that you are too. So, this lesson is due on November 20th. So, you've got like um, more than a week to work on it. And if you finish, you can go to this November choice board if you'd like to explore the November choice board. I've got all these different activities. Oh, that went the wrong spot. Okay, here it is. The November choice board. There's all these different activities that I had found, and I put it on there for you and for my students that are doing face-to-face learning. But the lesson that we're going to look at today, right here, click here for today's lesson. It's the Battle of the Books lesson. There is an information sheet right here going over all the information for Battle of the Books. Battle of the Books is an optional reading program for fifth graders, and there are 6 books on the list. And if you would like to read those books starting now, you have from now until the end of April. That's different than years past. You get more time because it's going to take a little bit more time to try and get a hold of some of those books. And we're not going to have our traditional district competition at the PDC. It's going to be at DEF. We're going to have a DEF school. We're going to have a school competition. We're going to have it just at our school, and it's going to be with your friends in the 5th grade. I'll have one day I'll have a 4th grade Battle of the Books competition, and then on a different day I'll have 5th grade. And we're going to kind of just like make it a party, and it is just going to be like trivia questions about the Battle of the Books. You don't have to try out for a team this year. You don't have to practice with a team this year. You just have to read the books and then show up. I'm going to recognize all the children that participate at the end of the year awards in 5th grade. I'm also going to have a gold medal for our first place winner, a silver medal for our second place winner, and a bronze medal for our third place winner. And then again, I'm going to recognize everybody that participates. Your parents are going to have to sign a form in April that says that you did read the books, and that's it. It's that easy. You just have to read the books. Your parents have to sign the form, and then you have to come to my competition, which will be in May. And I'm hoping things are better, and maybe some of you are back, or maybe we can, talk with your parents about having. And of course, we will make it as you know, COVID, you know, positive as possible. And so this is what you're going to do. So you can look at this Battle of the Books information sheet. I sent this note home with all of the kids who are face to face. If you want to print this out, you can. When you scroll down to the bottom of the letter, it has the list of books. So if you're like, I don't even know the books, they're right here. They're on that list. Okay. So now you're going to watch the trailers. I have 6 trailers. And the 6 books for Battle of the Books is 11 Birthdays, Zane and the Hurricane, The Hero Two Doors Down, Out of My Mind, Small Steps, and The Tale of Despereaux. I promise you, you are really going to enjoy this list. if you're wondering, how am I going to get these books? Well, you can always do it online. You can always you place a hold. And I have a video on the front of my library Canvas course on how to place a hold for the books. You can place a hold and check them out from the Deaf Library. You can get them from the Arlington Public Library. And of course, we always have Sora. And I've noticed in Sora, I've got a link there. Oh, sorry, y'all. Right here in Sora, they have the books available. A bunch of them are available to check out now. So if you go into Sora and you look at collections, you're going to see the 5th grade AISD Battle of the Books. Sometimes I call it Bob. And look at all the ones that are available. This means that this is an audiobook that you could listen to. Some of them you might have to place a hold. Just click on that little clock. It'll tell you. It looks like there's a 1-week wait on that one. So that's another way to have access to the Battle of the Books. All right, so you're going to watch all 6 of these trailers. Those are all links. I'm going to go back to my lesson. And then the last thing I want you to do is this Google form. It's an interest survey, inventory, or a survey. I just want to know where your interest level lies. I want you to put your first name, your last name, your reading teacher. So it's either Miss Knott or Miss Werner. Then I want you, okay, fine, I'll pick Miss That. Okay. Then I want you to know, what books have you already read? So you're going to click on the boxes. Maybe you haven't read any. That might be your choice. That's okay. It's okay if you haven't read any. Which book are you most interested in reading first? Tell me which one looks the most interesting. Then I want to know which one looks the least interesting, which one you would maybe read last. Then I want to know, did you read all the Bob books? That's Battle of the Books in 4th grade. And did you try out for the Bob team last year? So I want you to tell me yes or no, because I might be hunting you down and trying to twist your arm to be a part of my Battle of the Books. And then I want to know, are you interested in participating this year? Your choices are, yes, of course, Mrs. Farr. Duh, I want to be in Battle of the Books. Click on it. If it's no, and I understand that I'm breaking your librarian heart, it's okay. You can put no. Or maybe you're interested and I'll keep bugging you and maybe you'll say yes. Then you're going to hit your submit button and that's it. That's all you have to do this week. I just want to know. I want to expose you to the Battle of the Books. I want you to know about my program and I want you to tell me what your interest level is for Battle of the Books. If you have any questions, send me an inbox message. If you want to check out Deaf Library books, you guys can place holds. And on the homepage of the 5th grade library course, there's a little blue button and it's a video on how to place a hold and check out books from our Deaf Library. I hope you're getting books. I hope you're going to Sora, Capstone, Arlington Public Library, bugging your parents to buy some books on Amazon, whatever you have to do to get some books in your hands, y'all. That's what I want you to do. Have a super duper week and talk to you soon. If I don't talk to you before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving.